Minua you can say. Now he was talking about the regional minister. Mesre. You see, omuka sebia no mkena no bibini black man oho na hwan oho. Amoakohene kasa no wa mo obibini black man din. Obibini black man you on organizing program. You see, NPP, say mediocrity no. It appears that we campaigns and kings of mediocrity. You see, you organize the Ashanti Fest. Ashanti Fest, no, it has so many dimensions. So, John, more feature here. Na me kura menya akwa mehwe bi. O hwe ekwan a secondary school for nkwada. That innate skill I won mumu. That skill say akwada to me draw or drain no draw artistic. I mean, uhwe nema ya efe. Mu betra ha, mu tra radio TV so esopanza na askwa interchange ne kura no. Enye ndisi for na yeye. Into omunsuom de no mumpenti. Intellectuals within NPP no more can answer way. People who are supposed to have the capacity, the ability to read and reason no more can say the way. Sabi askwa interchange no omampanyiku for start here no. If I can see na ye I think omampanyiku for did about 32%. Na say obi aba no 32% na ye buy no we didn't abandon it near ye. Na aye didn't am kase nye na and therefore we shouldn't. So in the first place they don't read because of monkey kind you know MPP for mpanyimfo ministers any ade those who are even the people within academia almost support MPP kura no they had that you know inward thinking say and MPP for nye this for ni see na sabi let's assume for the sake of argument say enye ni see ya is the property and NPP property. Sabi go waste near say ye when ye see na e fa eno mu kum. Aside from that, hwe enema Amoakohene e de ba e bi ne say. Wo hwe the art industry, the movie industry, CCB I mean play a omokoye stage play a omokoye hwe cultural center competition cooking competition near the traditional traditional food aprapansanom near the nuane asabe and then kwada omu hu bidano Amoakohene sabe onim nyansa oswa na dwin swa enso saa dwin na swa no atumi de saa na ma na ba sabe metusalafo no a omasua wiase nyansa nyina no mba omantumi ahu nyansa afa saa ne ma na amba. Then he organized the artisans magazine for near the Kofa Minister for Trade and Agribusiness by say mami magazine for any aduma ye ni o kwan ben na befa so aboa ye mfiti dwuma ni dwadie ni sa na manum sabe professor for omedi sentimentam so ye minister o ha no wo mo omedi 87 years ni 90 years a wiase nyansa nyina wiase experience no mahu no wo mo dwen Kofa asane ma ne baya na enti more radical Amoakohene no and was na sabi Amoakofa bibi di Soloku festival na Soloku kra ne de and say sabi e maba wa kwhye boxer shorts ayiji wo mo ho sabi I mean ye was antimama mo say high kingdom na sabi high kingdom a sabi Amoakohene o ya kwala akra on pene say oye program na bayi wa sabi akwhye saa ne man sabi enye fese because of where I was trained me to I mean sabi wa share adibia sabi amoasie asa very very thin very tight na sabi shawana ayi wo ho ne ma bi a me pese me mano beka e wa fidie so because of sabi where I was trained ne nyame anyira me tim mano aka na mo video wey ebu atopa jen sabi sa Soloku festival no me ye no at the pub and the bar sentiment to what extent any painting sentimental on a global stage share anyama nyina no give me one of them asabe ama sentimental yenima menyam is it the painting which they poo-pooed or is it the cultural center na ye cultural festival enuane asabe ye nananom ni omudi ni ade enuanu nro papa wo ma na ya abandana I mean what the buy ya ye nyina ye hu bi say sankofa ye nchi hwa sukufo a ombeto nyom ye other activities. You understand? Where CCB, the movie industry, sabi actors wo Kumasi na sentimental ma ya two o ma JJ we put all of them together last year. I was privileged sabi boxing say me live boxing fi say nyankopon bo wi ase me who be that. But I was privileged. KNWS me ko boxing.
Last year I was there.
I me ko bi. E say Amoakohene sabi onim nyansa onim hwe no. Sa kwada no ba ye na no. Ani me nya so say di bosome enai. I mean out of the blue no organize here. And all of this no. Sabi enam nyansa onim nti no. Sabi nye amanfo na osresre. Ebia Akoma FM forms ye best na some kwa mo boy mo bodawro ni ade
trade expo no ye show live.
Yes. So until what was Akoma FM for ideally say Opoku Mensah na ka me ye na me some fa some bagim ska. But the nyansa ntino he bought into the business plan of Akoma FM. Akoma ko fa ne life aboa sentimental ne because a sentimental was put on a global stage at least amanfo bi a omo amanone omo nkran ene ba bi a enka sentimental mu no omo the trade prospect within Ashanti region. And that is exactly what Amoakohene did.